Hi, I'm Paige Clayton. I'm an assistant professor here at SCaRP. Congratulations on being accepted to the program. It's a really exciting time. I wanted to just take a few minutes and tell you a little bit about myself and welcome you more. So I joined the faculty in 2020. I came from UNC Chapel Hill, where I finished my PhD, which focused on looking at why entrepreneurial regions develop in some places rather than others, and why and how technology and knowledge diffuse across space. So I'm really interested in entrepreneurship and innovation policies that support local and regional economic development, trying to understand which strategies are more effective than others, and which may have differential benefits for certain groups of people versus others. I've looked at things like university technology transfer and the role of universities in local economic development. Georgia Tech is an excellent place to study this kind of thing and to look at economic development from this lens because of the huge statewide economic impact that it has. I also look at entrepreneurial ecosystems, this idea of this confluence of organizations, entrepreneurs, policies, and intangibles that cohere to support entrepreneurial vibrancy in place. I look at things like support organizations. So those are business incubators, accelerators, mentoring programs. I look at how entrepreneurs sort of recycle their knowledge and talent back into the region to support further economic development. And I look at the role of startup finance. I have a recent project that was just funded to examine the role of state merit-based scholarships for college, to look at the impact of those scholarships on entrepreneurship rates in Georgia, which I'm really excited about. We've just kicked off this year. That's with professors at Georgia State and Georgia Tech. So that's a little bit just of the flavor of my work. Here at SCaRP, I teach the advanced planning methods class in the fall that all incoming SCaRP and MSDIST students are required to take. I teach the economic analysis and planning class in the spring, which is another core course. And then I also teach the economic development methods class, which I have renamed and called Creating Prosperity, where we think about different tools to understand regional development and the different sort of strategies that planners might consider in supporting regions at different scale. I've also led an independent study on rural economic development, rural and small town economic development, which has led us in some new and interesting directions. And I have taught the theory course before as well. So with that, I again congratulate you on being admitted to our program. I am actually an Atlanta native and was thrilled to be coming back to Atlanta and working at Georgia Tech. It's really a great place to be. So hope to have you here in the fall.